Hey guys, welcome to my channel, the Telangana Girl Hustle Puzzle. Today we are gonna watch the latest collections in Zudio. So post sale from September 1st, Zudio has brought all the new collections in all variants like footwear, apparel, makeup, etc. Today I'm going to show you few of the apparel and footwear collection here. This one piece dresses are super nice in quality and are priced at 999 rupees. They have lots of new arrivals in all the sections. These are the cute one-piece dresses, tops and the pants. This time they also have got nice bodycon fits as well. These are the simple cord dresses for office or the regular blazer ones. And in the footwear also they have got tons of new collections. All of these are priced at 299 rupees each. If you can see the variants of the colors and the models, these are all the flats and sandals. And here you have the platforms which are priced at 499 rupees each. The color palette of all those new arrivals are super nice and beige vibes. All of them are very subtle. These are the loafers and they have nice shoes in 999 rupees. The color combinations of these shoes are also very nice. The multicolor ones, the purple ones, the white and beige, white and black, the pink and white ones. All of them are really nice. These are few multicolored ones which are priced at 799. These have little lesser sole than the previous ones we saw at 999. And these are the few semi-party wear that they have introduced at 700 rupees, 699. They have two colors in this, rose gold and beige. And then this jeans cloth thing is also very nice in quality. All of these are the new arrivals. Just look at the glitters and the color palette in this. And they also have this ballerina shoe types ones which are priced at 500 rupees. All of them are mostly in black and couple of them in beige. They also have got nice kids collection starting from the range of 99, 149, 299, etc. The stock also looks really good and the collections are nicely arranged after the sale. So these are the jackets that are priced at 799. The sweatshirt model types. Look at the colors that they have. Denim blues, the greens, peachy vibes, etc. All the collections have now been properly arranged. Try and go to Zudio in the morning hours so that you get all the collections on the floor and a lot of them not being at the trial rooms. So these are the one-piece dresses that they have got in different color combinations. Most of them in light colors only, not the bright ones. This is also one of the new arrivals which has nice blue beachy vibes. The prints that they have chosen this time are literally different from all the times and they have nice collection this time around. So this black one is also one of the nice buys here. And the regular floral prints that we usually see in Zudio. There are different sections which are separately sorted for the black and white themed ones in all the sections. They have different patterns also this time around which has the nice back sleeves and the side cuts, etc. So you can explore a lot of them in any of your nearest Zudio stores. The prices for these one pieces range from 499 to 599, 699 and till 999. Solid whites are also there in lots of frock models this time. The plain black ones. This is also one of the kurti that I picked. And then the much awaited collection of 299, 399s, etc. in Zudio. The prints this time in the 399 ranges are super nice. If you can see, they have tons of collection in these. These are super friendly for office wear and regular wear. If you could pair it with nice dupatta and leggings. And then you have this one-piece frocks. These are all the new prints that they have got this time post sale. Lot of multicolored whites, pinks, black and whites are mostly seen this time around. This is also one of the nice dress that I have seen. Has a little deeper neck, but if you could pair it with nice cardings, that would suffice the look. The plain whites also have been in different models. All of them priced at 999. The plain whites with a belt and the plain white with puffed hands, all of them are at 999 range. A lot of pinks and blues, as I said. But the patterns this time are spread widely. It covered mostly all the ranges and genres that you could fulfill the needs for, like the regular wear, office wear, simple party wears, etc. This lavender one is also one of the nice one. This blue one also has got good vibe and the pattern that it is built. These are the 499 range of kurtis. They have nice knitted handwork on top of them. These are again the 299 variant ranged ones. So this green one piece frock is also one of the nicest buys that I could see today. That is there for the doll over here. And then they have this nice cord set by the next to it. All three of them are separately priced here, the jacket, top and the bottom palazzos. So you can just take the jacket also and pair it up with any of the shrug model needs that you have. This is also one of the nicest buys of today. And then the one piece frocks. The neck patterns and the front and back designs and the hand sleeves are little different this time around. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.